Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this current session now we are going to describe about operators in the Linux shell script. Normally in the programming languages also we are going to use some certain number of the operators. So here also we are going to see some certain operators like arithmetic operators, relational operators, Boolean operators, and next string operators, and finally the file test operators. These are the various kinds of the operators that we are going to use in our shell script also, like our other kind of the programming languages like C++, and Java. How you people are going to use this kind of the operators, here also we are going to use certain number of the operators here. Okay, now what are the various kinds of the arithmetic operators? Okay, so arithmetic operators here given as addition, subtraction, minus, multiplication, star, division, this one. Okay, slash. So these operators you can't directly use. You have to use these operators along with the expr keyword. Expr is a keyword in the shell script. Using that keyword only you have to use it. Okay, see, along with the expr only you have to add these variables, you have to subtract these variables, and you can multiply or you can divide whatever you want. So where this expr will be there, expr is a keyword. How to use it? It can be put in one kind of the single quotes here. These are not actually the single quotes, single type like quotes. Okay, so these exist in escape key will be there in the keyboard. So in that you have tilde mark beside, just down the tilde mark, the same key, there this particular symbol will exist. You can get this symbol by pressing shift plus tilde mark, then you can get this particular symbol. Okay, so using that symbol you can write like this: expr $a. $a means what? Directly you can't use the value, so directly you can't use the variable. Whenever you have to use the variable, you have to specify that variable's value. Okay, to specify the variable's value, a is simply the name of the variable. $a means what? $a means the value of that particular variable. Okay, so expr of $a here plus $b will give 30. If $a is equal to 20 and $b value is equal to 10, then the addition is obviously 30. In the same manner, coming to the subtraction, expr of $a minus $b will give 10. Okay, in the same manner, expr of $a into $b will give 200. Like that, we are having division also. $b by $a will give you 2. Okay, so like that you are having various kinds of the variables, various kinds of the values you can use along with the operators. But one thing remember, you can't use directly those operators. You have to use along with the expression. Expression can be represented along with the keyword expr. expr keyword can be put in this kind of the single quote marks, where you can get shift plus tilde mark, then you can get this particular symbol on the keyboard, then you can write all these things. Okay, so arithmetic operators can be used along with the expr keyword and along with this particular tilde mark, uh, tilde mark down, some symbol will be there, the single quote like symbol, that you can use. Okay, these are the arithmetic operators. But some more arithmetic operators are also there. Those are nothing but see, modulus. Modulus is nothing but it can be give the reminder of the value. All of you know in the C programming language, that is modular operator. See, that is nothing but giving the reminder. Expr of $b modulus $a will give you as 0. In the same manner, assignment operator. Whenever you are going to assign a value for that particular thing, then you can go for assignment operator. In the same like C, here the assignment operator is nothing but equal to. A equal to $b means whatever value assigned to the b variable, that can be assigned to the a here. Okay, so assign value of b into a, that is nothing but a equal to $b. And one more thing, equality operator, checking the equality between two variables, that can be done by equality operator. How can you done this? Is equal to $a equal to $b. So if it is true, it returns true. If it is false, it returns false. It returns true or false values. And next one is not equality. What is the meaning of not equality? Here also you are checking the equality or not equality between two numbers. Not equality means you are comparing two numbers. If both are not equal, then it returns true. If both are equal, it returns false. Like that, the not equal to value will return. And one more thing we check here are nothing but relational operators. How these relational operators will work. Okay.